Namaste students. In this video, we are going to see exercise 13.3, question number 4. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter depth. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around. It is in the shape of a circular ring of width 4 meter to form an embankment. Embankment means கிணறு சுற்றி ஒரு இது கட்டுறாங்க சரியா. So that is embankment. Find the height of the embankment. Now see the figure children, then it will be very clear what is the meaning of embankment. Okay, so first the cylinder A is well. Cylinder A is well. The height of the well is 14 centimeter and the diameter is 3 meter. And the mud of the well only we are going to take out and we are going to distribute to form a embankment. Okay, so both well and the embankment is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, now see the problem children. So the well and the embankment shape is in the cylinder only. Okay, so well I'm going to take it as cylinder A and the embankment I'm going to take it as cylinder B. Cylinder B. Okay, so volume since the mud of the well only we distributed to form a embankment. Okay, so volume of a well is equal to volume of a embankment. This only we are going to compare and we are going to find the weight of the embankment, height of the embankment. Clear? So first I am going to find the volume of well. Volume of a well means volume of a well, that is cylinder A. Okay, so first write the formula pi r square h. The r value is 3 by 2 centimeter and the h is 14 centimeter. So pi into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 14. So cancel this 2 and the 14 7 times. And if you multiply, you will get 63 divided by 2 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so now I'm going to find the volume of embankment. Volume of embankment, actually how we have to find children? Volume of outer cylinder minus volume of a inner cylinder. See this figure? How to find the volume of the embankment? Actually inside we have a hole, that is hollow cylinder. We have a hollow cylinder. So we have to find the volume of a outer cylinder minus volume of a inner cylinder. Volume of a outer cylinder. What will be the radius children? Radius of the outer cylinder. Can you tell me the radius of the outer cylinder is 11 by 2. What is 11 by 2 children? So the diameter of the inner cylinder is 3 and the width is 4. Right hand side 4 meter and left hand side 4 meter. So totally 4 plus 3 plus 4 is 11. So the diameter is 11, then the radius is 11 by 2. So the radius of the outer cylinder is 11 by 2 and the radius of the inner cylinder is 3 by 2. And we have to find the height of the embankment. So now write volume of outer cylinder, volume of outer cylinder minus volume of inner cylinder. Then only we will get the volume of a embankment. Okay, so write the formula first. Pi r square h minus pi r square h, and then keep the pi as it is, and the radius of the outer cylinder, the radius of outer cylinder is 11 by 2 and we don't know the height, so that only we have to find. The height of the embankment only we have to find. Okay, so height of the inner cylinder is 3 by 2. So radius of the inner cylinder is 3 by 2 centimeter and the height is equal to question mark, that only we have to find. So now substitute So now substitute in the formula, keep the pi as it is, and then 11 by 2 into 11 by 2 into h minus pi into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into h. So take the pi and h outside, pi and h outside. The remaining is multiply and take LCM. Hundred and 21 divided by 4 minus 9 by 4. So if you subtract, you will get 112 divided by 4. If you cancel, you will get 28. Okay, that you can write here 28 h pi centimeter cube. Clear? So volume of a cylinder A and the volume of a cylinder B. The volume of a cylinder A is 63 by 2 pi centimeter cube, and the volume of the cylinder B is 28 h pi centimeter cube. This only I am going to compare, and I am going to find the height of the embankment. Clear? So volume of a cylinder, well, that is cylinder A, and volume of embankment, that is cylinder B. The answer is 63 divided by 2 pi, and the answer for this is 28 pi h. Okay, so here we can cancel pi. Remaining things right. 63 divided by 2 is equal to 28 into h. This h value only we have to find. So I am going to shift this 28 to the left hand side denominator. 63 divided by 2 into 28. Okay. So we can't cancel anything here. So I am going to multiply 63 divided by 56. Divide, and the answer is 1.125 centimeter. So the height of the embankment, the height of the embankment is equal to 1.125 centimeter. Are you all clear, children? Thank you.